What's up, guys? Now I'm going to show you my dog. Hope you like him, because he's so cute. He's licking me right now. How are you? Ow! Oh, don't bite. You want to see him? Here, please leave a like if you like my puppy. And please leave a comment if what I should name him, because I still don't know what to name him. Can you tell us what to name him? Because I don't know what to name him. For now, we just call him, like, Yog. It's just Yog. Here you go. Huggy. Yeah. Huggy. This is my puppy. He's kind of shy. Yeah. Yoggy! Yog! 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 Use my puppy. I'll see you guys later.